guys, it's time for the monthly Creating Made Easy kit. It is February 2018. We have some cool stuff in the kit this year, or this February I should say. It is our new shaker album, which is made of real wood, which is very cool. It has the shaker section in the front, made out of real birch wood to put buttons, sequins, whatever you want, photos in there. And then we have all the pages that you can stain, put paper on them, whatever you like. You can make it a frame, you can make it whatever you need it to be, actually. Then we have the Clear Scraps Love. I think this is approximately 12 inches. I think it might be a little bit bigger. The acrylic Love. We have the Clear Scraps Sequins. You know, the wood album is from CHA this year. We have Photoplay Vintage Girl. Look at those cool stickers here. A really beautiful sheet of stickers. Oh my darling, beautiful things have dents and scratches too. I love that quote. We have papers, of course, 2 of each sheet. The green argyle with the beautiful roses on the back. They go well together. We have the black lace with, or brocade, I guess, with all the words on the back or the front that says brilliant, bonjour, working it fancy, all that. We have the black and white striped classic with the amazing vintage cameras. Oops, I have that upside down on there. We also have the teal or light blue brocade, very Audrey Hepburn, with all of the words and cards there. You can change the world. Amazing, one of a kind and pretty. Then we have the music sheets. Always work into any project with the stripes on the other side. Everybody needs the classic stripes. The pink and brown polka dot with this amazing floral print on the back with the black and the pink roses. It is a beautiful kit, perfect for Valentine's Day, love, anniversaries, all that good stuff. Hope you enjoy. Grab your subscription while you can. We'll have a lot of projects this month.